Brotherhood exists, but not the kind most people talk about. Brotherhood ain't just guys hanging out, drinking, or calling each other bro. That's noise. Real brotherhood is rare. It's the man who checks on you without being asked. The one who tells you the truth, even when it stings. The one who shows up, not when it's easy, but when it's ugly. The one who wants nothing from you except to see you win. And you don't need many. 2 real brothers, greater than 20 surface friends. So yeah, brotherhood exists, but you don't start with it. You find your tribe first. And through loyalty, honesty, and time, that tribe becomes your brotherhood.